हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल मस्त मलंगुंडा। सो आज का टॉपिक आइल्स का एग्ज़ाम कैसे बुक करें और बहुत ही ईजी है। इट्स नॉट दैट डिफ़िकल्ट एंड उसके लिए आपको मेरी स्क्रीन पे जाना पड़ेगा। स्टार्ट करने से पहले आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। आपके लिए मैं ऐसी वीडियो और बनाता रहूँगा। होप आई विल एड वैल्यू थ्रू these informative videos in your PR and IELTS journey. So guys, you have to look for IDP Ielts. That is where you have to go. IELTS exam registration. You have to click here. And you can see that on the side, register for your test. So let's say if you want to give a computer deliver IELTS or pen and paper based IELTS. So let's click on computer delivered IELTS. This is preferable also these days because you will get result pretty early. Test module, academic or general. So I'm clicking general, and then you have to search your city. So since I'm from Delhi, clicking Delhi, Nehru Place, Pitampura, Rajouri Garden, clicking Rajouri Garden, which is near to my house. Book. Now the green ones are available dates. This is what it says. And these are not available. These are selected. So I am selecting exam for 21st of October. And you can see on the right hand side 21st, 9 to 12, 1 to 4 or 5 to 8. I'm clicking 1 to 4. 21 October 2023, general computer based, 16,250. Book IELTS. Now these are the steps that you have to fill in. So title, Mr. Mast Malang Munda, Mast Malang Munda 87@gmail.com. My mobile number is 9899121212. Enter passport J123456. Validity starts from 1st March, okay, 2nd March, and date of birth 1st September 1983. I've just mentioned it's just like that. Do you have a permanent disability? Of course, no. I confirm that. I read everything and I agree with it. This is what you have to, any which ways do it. Proceed. Valid after should be greater than your test date. Okay. Okay. Oh, of course. So 29th March, valid up to registration detail. Now here they ask a lot of unrealistic information, and I just want to tell you. Mast Malang Munda 87@gmail.com. 9899121212. 9899121212. Vikas Puri, J Block, Vikas Puri. Guys, this is not my address. I've just mentioned it just like that, so don't try to reach to that place. Now the country of nationality, India, first language should be Hindi. ऐसा ना हो कि आप लोग हिंदी इंग्लिश उसको चूज कर लें. It is always be Hindi. Occupation sector, you can mention I'll mention education. Then ये आपसे बहुत ही अनरियलिस्टिक, इनको आइल्स वालों को कोई मतलब नहीं है. Based on this, sometimes they trick. So employer partner, why are you taking the test? For immigration, which country are you planning? देखिए ये सब अनरियलिस्टिक है, जानना चाहते हैं so that they can actually trick, and इसीलिए ये डिफिकल्ट करते जाते हैं बिकॉज उनको आपकी डिपेंडेंसी पता लगती है कि आपको इमिग्रेशन के लिए चाहिए, कनाडा आप जाना चाहते हो, एंड हाउ मेनी इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस यू बीन स्टडिंग इंग्लिश. ठीक है, कर दिया. ऐसा मैंने सुना है, आई एम नॉट 100% श्योर कि ये है, लेकिन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. सो यहाँ पे आपको अपनी डिटेल डालनी है. तो पासपोर्ट अपना आपको डालना है. मैं अपना पासपोर्ट की जगह okay, it is asking for JPG format only, so I am clicking my JPG stuff. Upload, or you can skip it also. Okay, so this option is here, so I don't have to, because I'm just showing you how it works. Which country are you applying again? And intent to, so Canada. Organization name they want to know. This is really funny, so you can skip this also. I would not suggest you to share. And now here you can see your informations. Proceed to pay, and there it is. आप UPI कीजिए and click on pay now. So of course you have to make the payment here, and your exam will be booked. You will receive the message on your phone, and आपको email भी आ जाएगा. And within 2 to 3 days you will receive a book from IDP. This is a practice book, so उसको आप practice कीजिएगा. And yeah, congratulations, your exams are booked. So please like and subscribe my channel. बताइए आपको कैसा लगा ये वीडियो. I hope this is helpful, and you can follow me for more videos.